Hi guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. If you are a new subscriber, I upload every video. Today I'm gonna show you very fast and easy how we can create this water sign from avatar, and it's gonna fill up with water. I'm gonna use the same technique that in the previous tutorial that no one watched. So that's fucking cool. So let's start. I am in Blender, as you can see. I'm gonna maybe leave this cube, why not, and go to the object, quick effect. Maybe I'm gonna scale this down, so S and move the mouse to make it smaller. Go to the object and quick effect, quick liquid. I feel fucking awful, guys. I wanna say, I feel like I'm getting sick. Okay, so I have my stupid domain cube and my source. I'm gonna select my domain cube and click S to make it bigger, and GZ and move right here, something like this. Always remember this domain cube, this source must be inside on this bigger cube, domain cube. Now I'm gonna maybe scale this as X in this direction, in the X direction. Now what I'm gonna do, select this domain cube and do basically test bake. So select the mesh, and right here I'm gonna adjust maybe something like 100 frames, change this to all, select this icon and click bake all. This is just test baking, and my suggestion, do this, okay? Because it's not always works. We're gonna draw this stupid sign. So it's working, okay. My measure is baked, as you can see. Let's go. So what I wanna do, I wanna select my mesh and click free all. Now the idea is like you must draw the sign using just one click. So I'm just gonna click, hold the left click and just draw this stupid sign, okay? If you're gonna draw this separately, you're gonna must apply the force field, and it's basically separate kind of stuff, and it's too much work. We're gonna keep it simple. So just using this left click, just try to draw the sign. I'm gonna show you. So Shift A, on the curve I'm gonna add Bezier, click tab to go to the edit mode, X, delete vertices. I feel fucking sick. I'm gonna choose the draw tool and I'm gonna try to draw this stupid sign inside this domain cube. And the idea is you just starting where this cube is, okay? So this is my starting point, and I'm just holding the left click and I try to draw this stupid sign of water from avatar. Let's go. Something like this. Of course you can draw better than me, so don't look at this, because I am the best fucking, I am Da Vinci, okay? Our times. So as you can see, this is my stupid stuff. It's not good. I'm gonna click tab. Like I said, you can draw better. So what we wanna do, I'm gonna select this curve. Always remember the curve must be inside this domain cube. Go on this icon, choose force field, and we're gonna leave on the force, and I'm gonna change this from point to the curve, and on the first value I'm gonna apply maybe a value something like 10, minus 10, minus 10, and on the flow maybe something like 1 or 2. Okay, you must play around on those values, because I don't know how big your sign gonna be, okay? So play around on the minus strength, something like minus 10, minus 11, 12, or maybe on the flow from value 1 to 5, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just test this, what results you're gonna get. Now I'm gonna select my domain cube, open right here on this tab, and I have the gravity. I'm gonna turn down the gravity, and I can bake this, but you must adjust the end frame. I'm gonna show you. If I'm gonna maybe apply something like 250, and I'm gonna click bake it all, the water in some cases it's not gonna be enough to fill up your sign in 250 frames, so you must adjust the end frame too. Basically play around on those end frame values and on the strength and on the flow on the force field that you're using on this curve that you draw, this avatar stuff. Yes, so I'm just searching, playing this, okay? And you're gonna have the same problem like I have. This is the best tutorial ever. It's not too much water, not enough water, so you must adjust the size of this cube too. So I'm gonna just click free all, and I'm gonna rescale this a little bit, so S, and rescale a little bit, something like this, and maybe move a little bit down, and once again try to bake this. So select the domain cube and once again bake it. I have right here some stupid stuff that I do, and I don't use basically HDR, okay? As you can see, and this drawing is not good too. So we can create this stupid animation in something less than 5 minutes. Okay, just apply quick liquid, drew the stupid curve, and you have the sign. Of course, you can add whatever background you want, and you can add whatever effect on the water you wanna have, but so this is not good too, because I just drew this sign very quickly, okay? But you get the idea. This doesn't look because you have the connection right here. But just play around on those stuff, okay? Use this technique because it's cool, and not too much people watch this video in my opinion, because in my opinion I don't see this tutorial happening in YouTube, like using curves to fill up the liquid. Like you can use some curve to follow the curve on liquid. I'm gonna free all, and of course if you gonna have the settings right, like okay, yeah, this is great, whatever, I'm gonna rescale this a little bit down, and I'm gonna add a little bit flow, and I'm gonna just bake this. You can add from Blender kit, of course, some material. Right here you have the material, water, just tap right here water, and on HDR just tap water, and you're gonna have good lighting. And like I said, tweak those values on the end frame. Maybe you're not gonna have enough time to animation just fill up your sign, so tweak, add more keyframes, something like right here 300 end, or maybe 400. Yes, so as you can see, it's not enough to, yes, I must tweak the strength value, but play around on this stuff because it's cool, and you can create, like I said, in less than 5 minutes some avatar sign, water sign. The next tutorial, I'm sorry, maybe I'm gonna create a fire sign, yes, from avatar or something like that. Of course, if it's done, yeah, it's cool. You can go right here on the Blender kit. If you don't have Blender kit, just go on the edit preferences, and you have on the add-ons right here, just tap right here kit, okay, kit, and just select this icon, click right here save preferences, close this, and you have this tool. You have free right here, free materials. Just tap water, and you can add wherever water material you want, and you can add right here HDR lighting, yes, on the water. I don't add this in this video, as you can see this is just sun, not basically HDR, and gives shitty effect. But you can apply some cool HDR, cool background, and you have some water sign from avatar. Make it in less than fucking 5 minutes, and drew the sign correctly, not in my way, basically, because my way is shit. Yeah, I must apply basically more kind of strength to this, or maybe a little bit to take down the flow, maybe something like 2. Play around on this stuff, okay? But if you're gonna apply the flow, something like I said, 6, 7, 8, the fluid gonna jumping around, it's not gonna be good effect. And on the strength, just apply something like -10, -11, -12. I don't know how big your sign is, okay, so I can't basically. This is this tutorial that I don't give you the values. Just play around on this technique, because it's cool technique. Just drew some curve, and the liquid gonna follow. And of course, turn down the gravity right here. I feel like shit, guys. Seriously, I must take some medication. So it's almost like, yeah. So as you can see, the water sign from avatar is don't look great because this drawing is not correctly. But like I said, drew this the correct way. Okay, take your time, not just one take and yeah, it's good. No, just take your time. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and record today another video. I don't know if I'm gonna have time. Amazon reviews, yes, Lord of the Rings, but whatever. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Use this technique, okay? I feel like shit. See you in another one.